Phoenix Typewriter here. We're going to put a ribbon on a Hermes 3000. Pretty easy machine to put a ribbon on. So here's our ribbon right here. This is an all black ribbon, but this machine will take black and red if you would like black and red. So if you do red, it just needs to be on the bottom. The black can go either way. So this takes some standard spools, and you just stick them down here on the shaft. And with these particular spools, you got to make sure that that spoke right here, this little spoke, gets one of these slots just right and sits all the way down. You can tell by turning it around until it fits, and you can see the little spindle on the top there. Let's do this side here. Same thing. It sat right down there first time. You got to put it through these guides here. We're going to do it without touching the ribbon with a pair of tweezers here. And we're just going to pop it right through this little guide right there. So it goes through that little guide. This side goes through that little guide. Just like that. Tighten it up a little. Now we're going to put it through the middle here. So I'm going to put this selector down here on red so it lifts. And I'm going to put a couple type bars so it raises that up. I'm going to just leave those. I'm going to leave those up so it raises that ribbon. And we're going to get in here and look a little closer. And we'll see how this goes. Get some light in here. So this ribbon goes behind these middle forks like that. There's another fork over there. It goes behind those. And set it down, but then it just goes through these two arms on the sides. Here you can go any way you want. If you want to go down like that first and put it under there, just like that, so that side is done. Or you can go and put it on the top one like that and pull it up like that. As long as it looks like that when you're done. And you can turn the ribbon and see it's feeding through there nice and even. And then when you lower the type bars down, it should go up and down. Let's put a piece of paper in here real quick. Maybe we can see that a little better. And that's the way she goes. You can then, if you got a black ribbon, you can go ahead and move this lever all the way up and back down one notch, and that will be the top portion of the black ribbon will be showing, and that should do it. Now is the time. That's how you put a ribbon in a Hermes 3000. Just about as easy as it gets. And these, of course, reverse the ribbon when it gets to this side over here. It's driving that way right now, and when it gets to this, they will push this to make the ribbon go back the other direction. So now the ribbon's turning that way. Same thing with this one. Switch it, it's going to turn directions. Very simple. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.